In this video, I will be showing you how to fix slow ChatGPT. Let's get started. When your ChatGPT web interface begins to slow down, it can feel like a frustrating roadblock. First, I click on the text box and input a custom system check prompt to see how responsive the window is. After clicking send, the system confirms it is operational, yet the performance still feels sluggish. To improve the speed, I can manage the site data. I click on the settings or site information icon next to the URL bar in the browser, navigate to cookies and site data, and click manage on device site data. From here, I can click the trash icon next to chatgpt.com and press done to clear out cached information that might be dragging the window down. If that doesn't fully resolve the delay, another thorough approach is adjusting the site permissions directly. I click on the site icon again, choose site settings, and look for the usage summary. I click delete data and confirm the deletion. This logs me out and resets the interface. To ensure the issue isn't tied to a temporary server problem, I open a new tab and search for OpenAI status. I click on the official status page link to verify if there are any widespread outages, elevated error rates, or background maintenance affecting ChatGPT's performance. The details show the systems are fully operational. I return to my main tab and click the reload button at the top to refresh the page. Once refreshed, I can test if the problem persists by using an incognito window. I open the browser menu, select the new incognito window, and type chatgpt.com into the address bar. I log back into my account using my Google credentials and complete the verification steps. If the browser interface continues to feel heavy, using the dedicated desktop version can often circumvent browser-related memory bottlenecks. I click on the Windows search bar, type ChatGPT, and open the official app. When the application launches, I can toggle the sidebar open or closed to clean up the layout and seamlessly start a fresh, responsive conversation. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.